Hi, this is Andrea at My Zombie RV, and I have been working on the floors, specifically the front end. There are many different tasks that I've been doing. One of the things we decided to do was put down Killmat, and Killmat is a sound and heat dampening mat made of butyl and foil. It's about I think the cheapest we got it was $55 a box. And so far we've gotten 3 boxes. Phil says he's going to finish out the floor because we've got most of it done, but we have a big section, excuse the mess, of floor that we didn't get done. And I'll go down through the hallway, and you can see I brought it down through the hallway to protect the area that we had to repair because of water damage. It's very waterproof, and I've sealed it with foil tape. So there's the bathroom floor. On into the bedroom. Sorry if it's reflective, but it is very, very waterproof. It is sound and heat dampening. And I also have it under the doghouse area under here, which I'm not going to take up right now. So we purchased a scrap of carpet for $20, and that's what this big pile is right here. And that carpet, as you can see, it's a very odd, everything's a very odd shape. So what I did was I took the carpet that I took out before, and I laid it on the floor, and then laid the new on top of the new carpet, drew around it, and that's how I got my pattern for my pieces. I wanted to do it a little differently than how it was done originally, because there were some flaws in the cutting, I thought. So so I'm cutting out the little pieces that will cover areas that carpet won't. One of my techniques that I want to show is like this is a section of carpet that's going to go underneath the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do, what I'm going to show you today, is how to finish out these ends and how easy it is to do with a heat gun. So I got to heat it up. Hope I can focus in on that. And what I'm doing is I'm just melting the ends. It cleans off all those little bits. You can probably see it melting, how fast that goes. And I'll go all the way around this piece like that. And what it does is it seals the edges and keeps them from fraying. There's a piece that fell off. So that will not fray, and none of those little melty spots will come off or show because of how it's cut. So I think that was a really good solution using the heat gun. Hopefully this weekend we'll get that glued and stapled down. I can only hope. Another thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to spray paint this trim right here to match the piece that's going to go right here. So I've got to mask all that off today, and I'm going to paint that in our soft iron color to make it blend, to make the front end blend. I made a video about dyeing the carpet. That shows what it looked like before, minus the spots. That's from testing the spray. It worked really, really well. That's the only thing I could do because I could not get that carpet up. It was glued down. So now I'm changing the color a little bit so it all coordinates a little nicer. I have this panel for the back to repair this wall all cut, and it's ready to be screwed in before we do the carpet. And that means that all the wiring and things can go back and not be hitting me in the head while I'm installing the carpet. That's the goal. So this is all the wiring for the truck. So painting and flooring and wall. my goal for this weekend. Woo! Got to set goals, even though it takes me 2 weeks, whatever I think I'm going to do. My goal for this weekend is to have the front end in a much better shape than it is right now. So I don't... That's, everything takes longer than you think it's going to. So that's my goal for the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll try to keep doing this. Thank you. Bye.